You might not like this wig. I did get a comment on my last video saying, y'all be cracking me up with these comments. The last comment, somebody said that the hairline looked like Planet of the Apes. I mean, she wasn't lying, but you definitely do have to put some work into this wig. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? So today we are talking about this beauty, this new from Outre. This video is sponsored by Wigtypes. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. I'm going to show you guys this Norvina wig, and I'm also going to show you guys a couple of styles, like this one right here. But you know what? I like it down, so let's just put her down. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys a couple of styles, okay, because this is a lace frontal, so we can style her up, all right? I know y'all probably like, why'd you take the ponytail out? But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how I put the ponytail up, and I'm also going to show you the, you know, the side and the middle, all that good stuff. I'm going to show y'all how I put this wig on. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for me, and let's just go ahead and jump into it.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, working all day. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out.
just showed you guys the install, different looks, and all of that jazz. I'm all over the place with this video. When I first started the install, I had a different lippy on. What lippy was that? Because I know y'all gonna ask. What did I have on? Smashbox, Brick Trick, and now I'm back with Dose of Color, Talk Like a Chick. Y'all gonna ask me this stuff, so I'm gonna forget. Anyway, that's enough about the lippy. So this wig, again, is sent over by Wigtypes. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. So this is the Outre Norvina wig. I have the color DRST Chocolate Caramel. Last week I did do Maximina, and I did the exact same color in this wig. I wanted to do this color because, one, she's on the stock card. I mean, come on now. And I really love these colors. I love these color blends. I love these blondes. So I wanted to show you guys how this color blend looks. So that's why I'm bringing the same color with the bob. So as far as specs goes, this is a 100% human hair blend wig. What that means is you're going to get synthetic fibers mixed with human hair fibers. I went all deep into it and why I think it's worth it in my Maximina video. Check it out right here. And I also showed you guys kind of how to pluck that wig. And I know I didn't really show it deep in this one, but check that out right here because you're gonna have to do a lot of plucking. Trust me. This says it's a 360 lace front wig. It's 13 by 4 hand-tied lace frontal, and it says it's 16 inches. So this wig, guys, is pretty much the same like Maximina. It's the same exact kind of thing. It's just that we're getting a bob. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about with Maximina, check that video out because I put a lot of work into that video right here. That's just a longer one and it's more curled. This is the bob. I feel the same way. This is a human hair blend. So this wig is up in the $50 range. But you have to consider what you're paying for. You're paying for a blend, which is actually going to last a little bit longer. It's not just a straight synthetic wig. And then also too, when you pluck this wig, guys, go in with some water. I find that going in with a little bit of water while you're plucking helps because this is still a synthetic kind of blend wig and the fibers are just a little bit harder to pluck. I'm noticing that I have a little cast. I have a little gas. It's a lot of bright light right now. So the last video in the sunlight, this one I'm filming at night and she's still hitting, y'all. She's still looking good. She's still looking amazing.
You look
stunning.
So I did go in with my bedhead spray and then I also did go in with Got To Be glue gel this time. The reason I did that is because with the bedhead, I feel like it works if you're just trying to do right here. But if you're trying to put this wig up like I showed you guys, oh, see, that's not even dried yet. I wasn't supposed to show y'all that part.
I saw that.
But if you're trying to put this wig up, definitely go in with some gel on the sides because the bedhead spray is not going to last with this wig. So I went in with this Got To Be glued gel on the side and I also went in with this Ebiin New York Wonder Bond adhesive spray. I feel like this one is a little bit more firmer than the bedhead, so I feel like this one is good for if you want to put this one up. I'm over here rushing, obviously, so that's why this side is not really sticking. So we're gonna have to let that stick a little bit more. But this side is adhered down, so, you know, let your wig dry. Let your wig dry, girl. 360, I feel like they need to take that off there. I'll just show a little clip. The back is like no lace. It's no lace in the back. It's the same thing like Maximina. So the whole 360 lace frontal effect is like, I don't see the point. And shout out to Body by Kira because with her Maximina wig review, she did some styles. So that's why I hit y'all with some styles this time because you guys do ask me for some styles, but they're time consuming, guys. They take time. I salute every single person that gives y'all styles, but for me, I just give you a 1-2 part on the middle or the side or whatever because it just takes a lot of time with filming to show you different styles. But let me know which style was your favorite. For me, I like the classic, just put the wig on and go. Look, the updo was cute, but I kind of felt like I was like my 7-year-old daughter. I mean, she's cute. You could do an updo, but that's the versatility of the wig. You're gonna get a lot of nice parting space in here, so you can style her. You can do what you need to do. I do feel like the lace, you definitely need to match it up, just like I said in my last review. I went in with the foundation that was left on my brush and I just kind of blended it in with the lace, you know. And I also did go in with a little bit of powder. The layers on this stock card to me look like it's a little bit more layered than it is here, so I am gonna go in definitely and put a little bit more layers in here. Yeah, the layers aren't as, I mean, there's no layers right here, but then when you're doing like the flip over, it looks like she's kind of layered. but it's no layers. And then also too, I was watching Exo Sheba's Maximina review, and she did mention that she was able to use heat. As you guys saw, I did try to use some heat on this. I don't think you should go too high with the heat. What does it say that you can go up to? Usually it's about 400, but I didn't feel like it was curling right for me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try again. I don't know if it's because I'm rushing or whatnot, but I feel like the lower the heat, the better the curl. That's just my opinion. I did have to go all the way down to like 340, kind of 300 to curl this, and it's still not really as curled as I would like it. But if you take your time and move slow with the curl like that, it's a little bit better. I think. I don't know. It's not.
No, that's not impressive.
Whatever. And again, I do like this color blend. I love these blends on Outre. They do an amazing job with these color blends. In this chocolate caramel, I don't know if it's been around or if it's just new with these new drops, but come on now, appreciate the blend. The blend is amazing. And if you don't want this color, there are other colors. There's natural colors, there's some reds, you got your ambers. There are a lot of nice colors in here. So I feel like I left this alone. And this wig is actually reminding me of my Outre Skye one. This one is going to be more of a blend, so it's going to last longer. So I like it. I really do. I'm going to be wearing this wig for the rest of the week because I like her. I didn't really go in with any baby hairs. I don't feel like that's needed, but I also do feel like you definitely need to pluck this wig. And once you pluck it, you don't have to pluck it again, so consider that. But if you want to do like this look right here, you're gonna have to go in and pluck this wig because there's no pre-plucked unless you're wearing it in the middle. You're gonna have to pluck it. I also did have to go in a little bit with my wax stick because this wig is a little bit of flyaways, kind of, you know. The texture on this wig, like I mentioned in my last review of Maximina, this is more like that silky human hair wig. If you are not a silky wig person, do not get this wig. I don't want to say I'm tired, but some people say they mad at certain wigs, but they're not that type of person that likes those kind of wigs. So if you like yak, if you like thick, don't get this wig because you're gonna be disappointed. This is for all the people that like this kind of wig. If you want texture in your wig and if you want some yak, don't get this wig. Save your money. But if you like silk, if you like human hair kind of look like this, get the wig. So you have to consider who is telling you what they're telling you in their review.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
But I like her. I think she's gonna last. I think she's gonna hold up. Also, I did forget to mention that I feel like this wig just needs slightly a bit of serum. And just to address a question that I got asked in my last review, I do use this spray, and I do feel like this spray is good for human hair or synthetic wigs. So I feel like this just needs just a little bit. It doesn't need too much, but the texture of it, you can't run your fingers through it, but it needs like just a little bit of spray. I think it definitely does mimic a human hair silky wig. It's not yucky, so don't even waste your time if that's what you're looking for. The cap feels good. It's not uncomfortable to me, and I think that's pretty much it. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know which style was your favorite, or even if you like this wig. You might not like this wig. I did get a comment on my last video saying, y'all be cracking me up with these comments. The last comment, somebody said that the hairline looked like Planet of the Apes. I mean, she wasn't lying, but you definitely do have to put some work into this wig. But I feel like once you do, she's pretty and she's worth it. And yeah. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.